Ever wondered about building your own cryptocurrency wallet? Today we'll explore exactly that. It's a thrilling journey into the world of digital currencies, where we'll be constructing a wallet for the Signum, or Signa, network. This project will give us a hands-on experience with blockchain technology and cryptography. We'll be interacting with nodes, generating private keys, signing transactions, and so much more. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of blockchain and cryptographic wallets? Let's get started. First things first, understanding the Signum blockchain is crucial. Diving deep into Signum's documentation, you'll comprehend how transactions, addresses, and blockchain interactions work. Engaging with Signum nodes allows you to retrieve data and submit transactions. Once you have a solid understanding of the Signum blockchain, you are ready for the next step. Next up is choosing your technology stack. For backend operations, consider JavaScript, Python, Go, Rust, Swift, or Objective-C. For a mobile or web app frontend, look into frameworks like React Native or Electron React. Choosing the right technology stack is crucial to the success of your wallet. Now that we have the technology stack, it's time to implement key features. Address and private key generation are crucial. These cryptographic functions enable your wallet to interact with the Signum blockchain. Transaction signing ensures secure and unaltered transactions, while balance checks allow users to monitor their holdings. And of course, sending transactions is a must-have feature for a wallet. It's the mechanism that lets users send Signa to other addresses. Implementing these key features will ensure your wallet is functional and ready to interact with the Signum network. Security is paramount in any cryptocurrency wallet. It's crucial to encrypt private keys, ensuring they are stored securely. This prevents unauthorized access and protects your digital assets. But security isn't just about protection, it's also about recovery. Offering seed phrase generation and recovery options is essential. This allows users to regain access to their wallet if they ever lose their private key. With these security considerations in mind, your cryptocurrency wallet will be a safe and secure place for your digital assets.